Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Walmart MoneyCard fast method step by step clearly. To activate your Walmart MoneyCard, begin by locating your card. Make sure you have your card in hand. Visit the Walmart MoneyCard activation website. Alternatively, you can activate your card using the Walmart app. If you prefer using a mobile device, download the Walmart app from your app store. Open the app and sign in to your Walmart account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once you're logged in, look for the option to activate your MoneyCard. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code found on the back of your card. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. You may need to provide personal information, such as your social security number or address. After entering the required information, submit your details for verification. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your card has been activated. If you encounter any issues, consider calling Walmart customer service for assistance. Once activated, your card will be ready for immediate use. You can now manage your MoneyCard through the website or the app. Keep your card information safe and secure for future transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.